Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage transparency mode for your earbuds LG TONE Free. You have to start by open LG TONE Free application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see them right here, and you will see the same menu here. So, right here at the second line we have control ambient sound and ANC, and you need to tap at this line. Then put your earbuds to your ears, because without it we cannot enable transparency. Right here we have ambient sound and this one is transparency, and as you can see when I tap on it I cannot use it. So put it to my ear and then I tap at this one. Here we go. And right here we have two modes, listening mode and conversation mode. And to swap to the second mode, just tap on it. Now I use conversation mode. To return to the listening mode, also tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.